Hello again YouTube, going to give you a bit of a tour of my grinder I make all my knives on. It's a homemade grinder made from, well, scrap really. It's gate posts, bit of a weight bench, bit of a pram, anything I could find really that would do it. I've had to buy a few things. Bearings I had to purchase. This wheel was quite a recent purchase. The motor was new, but yeah, got a little water pot there for dipping the knives to keep them cool. Motor's mounted on this board. I've got a adjuster there so you can adjust it up and down. Sledgehammer on it, give it extra tension. An old gate spring. I've built a fan onto the pulley shaft there. When it's running, it blows air across the bearings to keep them cool. Go on the other side. These two wheels are made from aluminium scaffold pole. Got bearings pressed inside them and some plastic pipe just to make spaces to make it all fit nicely. A door hinge for the tracking wheel. Works perfectly. I've got two other wheels that I use. There's a small one there. Sorry. And I've got my platen piece on there. Bearings. Got my different guides there for setting up the angles for grinding, and my little jig for putting it on. I prefer grinding it that way than freehand because I know I'm getting it spot on every time, exact angle to the grind, and every one the same. Yeah, that's my grinder. Cost originally about 50 quid for the bearings to make. Other than that, it was just bits and pieces put together. Okay, just do a little extra bit showing you it running. Got a nice switch just there, easy to get to quickly if you need to turn it off quick. And there it goes. This wheel, when I got it, wasn't quite true, so I've used a chisel along the back, sort of similar to wood turning. Just gradually taking a bit off, just till it runs true, and it runs lovely now. A hell of a lot cheaper than buying the actual ones built from. Okay, thanks for watching.